Welcome friends, we are revising Actia spicata, and in that particular reference this is part 4, how to study Allen's keynote, a PQR review. So let us see, we are following this particular book for our symptoms. What you will see in this particular book is the symptoms are given in running text and each sentence represents a PQR, but it has got certain drawbacks or limitations. The biggest problem with this text is the text is disorganized in sequence and continuity. Anyway, this is the total text you will find in Allen's keynote. However, on close scrutiny, we have found that this text of Allen's keynote, Actia racemosa, presents about 18 PQRS. So let us go ahead with that. The very first PQR is puerperal mania, thinks she is going crazy, tries to injure herself. This is a characteristic mental general. PQR2, mania following disappearance of neuralgia. This is a characteristic causation also and ailments from also are alternating complaints, what is very important to remember. PQR3 tells us about sensation as if a heavy black cloud has settled all over her and enveloped her head so that all is darkness and confusion. This is characteristic mental general, and this is a expression which tells us about the deep depression. PQR4 is illusion of mouse running under her chair. This is a characteristic mental general. Now let us go to the PQR5. It tells us about ciliary neuralgia, aching or sharp, darting, shooting pains in globe, extending to temples, vertex, occipit, orbit, which is worse, on going upstairs and better by lying down. This is a characteristic particular symptom belonging to eye. PQR6 tells us about the heart troubles from reflex symptoms of uterus or ovaries. This is a characteristic particular symptom, and it is also telling us about heart, but causation also. Causation is a reflex symptom from ovaries or uterus. PQR7 tells us about heart's action ceases suddenly, impending suffocation, palpitation from least motion, and this is characteristic particular general, which is from heart. PQR8 tells us about the menses. It is irregular, exhausting, delayed or suppressed by mental emotions, from cold, from fever with chorea, hysteria or mania. Increase of mental symptoms during the menses, the mental symptoms increase. Please remember, it is a characteristic particular in females. PQR9 tells us about spasms. These spasms could be hysterical or epileptic, and they are supposed to be from the reflex from uterine disease. Worse during menses, chorea, which is worse on the left side. It is a characteristic general symptom. PQR10 tells about severe left-sided inframammary pain. It is a characteristic particular symptom. belonging to chest. PQR 11 tells us about sharp, lancinating, electric like pains in various parts, sympathetic with ovarian or uterine irritation in uterine region, darts from side to side. It is characteristic, particular, especially in case of females. Now, PQR 12 tells us about pregnancy, nausea, sleeplessness, and then tells us about false labor like pains, sharp pains across the abdomen, and third important point here is abortion at third month. This particular PQR consists of three segmental symptoms. One is pregnancy, where we have nausea, sleeplessness. Then we have false labor-like pains, which are sharp pains across abdomen. And third component and third part is abortion at third month. So this is characteristic particular symptom in case of females only. This is a female remedy. Please remember PQR 13 tells us about during labor, shivers in the first stage, convulsions from nervous excitement, rigid os, pain severe, spasmodic, tedious, worse by least noise, after pains, worse in the groin. Next PQR is 14th when given during last month of pregnancy, shortens the labor if symptoms correspond. So it is a characteristic symptom which belongs to applied preventive in case of a female. When to be applied during the last month of pregnancy to shorten the labor if symptoms correspond in patient where you are thinking that the patient will have difficulty in labor. In those particular cases you can apply this. PQR 15 is excessive muscular soreness after dancing, skating, or other violent muscular exertion. This is a characteristic particular symptom belonging to muscular system. PQR 16 is rheumatic pains in muscles of neck and back, feel stiff, lame, contracted, spine is sensitive from using arms in sewing, typewriting, piano playing. Means whenever you are engaged in repetitive activities, then there is a rheumatic pain in the muscles which are involved in those particular repetitive activities. It is a characteristic general symptom because the whole body involves the muscle because it involves the muscular system. PQR 17 is rheumatism affecting the bellies of muscles, and the sensation is the pain is stitching and cramping. It is a characteristic particular symptom belonging to muscular system, belonging to extremities. And then we have PQR 18, rheumatic dysmenorrhea. This is a characteristic particular symptom in case of female. So let us go for relationship similar to colophilum and pulsatilla. In uterine and rheumatic affection, it is similar to agaricus, lilium tig, and sepia. General modalities, we find aggravation during menstruation. The more profuse the flow, greater the suffering. Amelioration is not given in Allen's keynote. So, thank you very much for patient listening.